This is Srikanth, and in this video, we'll discuss about how passkeys work and why they're the future of digital security. The problem with the passwords are they're weak, easily forgotten, vulnerable to hacking, and reused across multiple sites. And there is a need for a better solution, and passkeys are the way going forward. So the passkeys are a new type of digital credential that are designed to replace passwords. They are more secure and easier to use than passwords. So to use a passkey on Apple ecosystem, you must turn on iCloud keychain and two-factor authentication. So the process of registration and authentication of passkeys is that the user initiates the passkey creation on the service provider where website or app is deployed. The user's device generates a pair of cryptographic keys. Again, the concept of public and private key comes into picture here. The public key is sent to the service provider and stored securely, and the private key remains on the user's device. And during the authentication process, the user attempts to log into the service provider or website or the application. The service provider sends a challenge that is nothing but a random string of data to the user's device. The user's device uses the private key to sign the challenge, creating a digital signature. So this digital signature is sent back to the service provider, and the service provider verifies the digital signature using the stored public key. And if the signature is valid, the user is authenticated and granted access. So let's see this with an example. So let's say when you try to create a passkey for an account, for example, I'm taking a sample user. So when you try to create a passkey for an account, your device generates a pair of cryptographic keys. One is the public key and other one is the private key. The, the public key is stored on the website or the application that you're creating the passkey for, and the private key is stored on your device. So when you want to sign in into an account using a passkey, you will be prompted to unlock your device using your biometric information such as your fingerprint or face or your PIN. So in this case, my system is prompting for the fingerprint. So once you have unlocked your device will use the private key to generate a signature that proves that you are the owner of the passkey. So this signature is sent then back to the website or app, which verifies that it is using the public key that it has stored. So I've initiated the registration process. So the signature is sent, and the challenge response came back, and the passkey got created, and you can clearly see the public key and the algorithms called EDSA and the other parameters that were used to create the public key. And during the authentication phase, and when you want to sign into an account using a passkey, you will be prompted to unlock your device again using the biometric. So once you have unlocked your device, so it is saying that you will be signed in to the website using your passkey for Srikanth. So earlier we performed the registration and now we are performing the authentication. So once you have unlocked your device will use the private key to generate that proves that you're owner of the passkey, and this signature is then sent to website or the application, which verifies it that the public key that it has stored. So this is how it actually works, and you can also see uh, the different parameters that we normally pass during the generation of the public key. Here we either use RSA256 or ES256 encryption algorithm, which are FIPS compliant. And you can also mention about the authenticator, whether you want to use a cross-platform or the platform as well. So this comes under the category of roaming authenticator or the platform authenticator. So this is how the passkey works. Thank you.